Today, we'll learn how to balance a chemical equation. Let's look at the reaction between calcium and oxygen gas to form calcium oxide. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. On the reactant side, we have calcium, Ca, plus oxygen gas, O2. On the product side, we have calcium oxide, CaO. The arrow indicates that the reactants are converted into the products. Let's count the atoms on each side to see if our equation is balanced. For calcium, we have one atom on the left and one atom on the right. For oxygen, we have two atoms on the left from O2, but only one atom on the right in CaO. The equation is not balanced because we have different numbers of oxygen atoms on each side. Let's balance the oxygen atoms first. To get two oxygen atoms on the right side, we'll add a coefficient of 2 in front of CaO. Now we have two oxygen atoms on both sides. But now we have a new problem. We have one calcium atom on the left, but two calcium atoms on the right. To fix this, we'll add a coefficient of 2 in front of Ca. Now our equation is fully balanced with two calcium atoms and two oxygen atoms on each side. Let's verify our balanced equation one last time. The balanced equation is 2Ca plus O2 yields 2 CaO. We have two calcium atoms and two oxygen atoms on each side. Remember, when balancing chemical equations, we can only add coefficients in front of compounds. We can never change the subscripts within the compounds themselves.